किए थे। लास्ट 2 क्लासेस और रहेंगी इसके बाद, उसमें तुम लोगों से क्वेश्चन पूछा जाएगा, तो प्रिपेयर्ड हो के आना लास्ट 2 क्लासेस के लिए, ठीक है? चलो, definition already we have defined as a condition where the hemoglobin concentration or hematocrit of an individual is lower than the level considered normal for age and sex. This is very much important, age and sex. This is the normal level for age group 0.5 to 5 year, 0.5 to 5 months, 6 months to 14 year, non-pregnant, pregnant, and men. This is the hematocrit. Hematocrit, what is hematocrit? It is the packed cell volume. A prevalence of anemia. 40% world population, that means more than 2 billion people, is suffering from anemia. More common in Chhattisgarh and Madhya Pradesh, and that is more common nutritional anemia, and another one hemolytic anemia, sickle cell and thalassemia. Both MP Chhattisgarh is built of sickling. Preschool children, school children, pregnant women, and men. Causes of anemia is different in all of them. Preschool children, school children, pubertal growth spurt, pregnant women, nutritional anemia, menstrual blood loss, men may be traumatic, hookworm infestation, poor dietary intake. Now grading. Mild, moderate, and severe anemia is classified as less than 11 gram to 10 gram. It is mild. 7 to 9.9 is moderate, and less than 7 is severe. This is the prevalence of anemia according to age. More common in 12 to 13 year because of growth spurt. Causes of nutritional anemia. Nutritional anemia may be iron deficiency anemia or megaloblastic anemia, and some other vitamin deficiency anemia. Iron deficiency anemia is most common, and second one is B12 and folic acid deficiency anemia, and other causes are vitamin A deficiency, thiamine deficiency, riboflavin, pyridoxine, vitamin C, vitamin E, and other trace elements. This also causes anemia. The copper is another cause of anemia. Cause of iron deficiency anemia. Because of inadequate intake of iron, reduced bioavailability of dietary iron, decreased absorption of iron, increased need of the iron, chronic blood loss due to worm infestation and other causes, and non-anesthesia. Means deficiency is because of decreased intake or increased loss, decreased absorption, decreased bioavailability, blood loss, and some infection. Role of iron. Hemoglobin 70%, myoglobin storage. Iron is present in our body. It consists 70% of iron is in hemoglobin, 5% in myoglobin, and another is storage form. This is the amount of iron in children, 70 mg per kg, while in male it is almost 4 gram, in female it is 3 gram. That means approximately 60 kg child, 7 7 6 42, almost 4 gram iron. Determinants of iron absorption. It is bioavailability. Heme iron has high bioavailability, non-heme poor bioavailability. Means 20 to 30% of iron get absorbed if the iron is heme, while it is absorbed only 2 to 5% if it is non-heme iron. Another parameters, absorption parameter and absorption inhibitor parameter. Vitamin C, heme iron present in meat and fish, germinated food, fermented materials. These are the absorption promoters and absorption inhibitors. Phytates, cereals, and tea and coffee. Calcium, calcium bind with iron, soya protein. An absorption promoter can enhance iron absorption up to 40%. Without promoter, it is 20 to 30%. Risk factor of iron deficiency anemia in infancy. It is maternal iron deficiency, leads to decreased iron transport through umbilical vessel into the infant, neonates. Breastfeeding beyond 6 months without complementary feeding. Breastfeeding beyond 6 months is not sufficient. Breast milk contain decreased amount of iron, but bioavailability is good. Can provide sufficient amount of iron till 6 months of age. Complementary food low in iron are poorly bioavailable. This is the causes of iron deficiency anemia in infancy, means up to 1 year of age. Adverse effect of iron deficiency anemia before development of anemia. This similar feature. Most common is the irritability and impairment in the mental and motor development. Poor concentration, poor school, decreased attention, and easy distractibility. And there is decreased physical performance means easy fatigability, and endurance leads to poor motor skill and productivity. Brain development is common up to 2 years of age. Anemia in this duration leads to the global developmental delay. So iron deficiency anemia is another cause of global developmental delay and decreased IQ. Decreased physical activity affect learning due to limited exploratory activities. And cumulative deficit in school performance result in dropout. Approach to iron deficiency anemia. First is the history, physical examination, lab test, and management. It is similar in all cases of anemia and malignancy. History is the foremost important thing, and next one is the physical examination. Rest 5 to 10% is laboratory and management. History in iron deficiency anemia. What should we ask? Age of onset is usually between 6 months to 3 years. Both sex equally affected because it is iron deficiency anemia. In childhood and adolescent, more common female because of blood loss. Diet, lack of breastfeeding, excess of animal milk, inadequate weaning food, predominantly vegetarian diet. This is the common. High bioavailability iron is present in meat and fish. Exclusive breastfeeding up to 6 months prevent anemia, but beyond 6 months it will lead to anemia. Pica means eating of non-edible things like mud, chalk, ice, laundry starch, cardboard. This will lead to the entry of some infestation like hookworm infestation, sepsis. And another one is the history of breath holding spell. Breath holding spell is common in iron deficiency anemia. We give iron supplement in breath holding cases. Infections, rule out worm infestation, especially hookworm infestation. And another one is the giardia. Hookworm leads to the blood loss and giardia leads to the malabsorption. Symptoms, irritability, fatigue, shortness of breath is similar, weakness, dyspnea on exertion. And actually, symptoms depend on the onset, insidious onset or chronic, slowly progressive. On physical examination, what we will get, pallor, puffiness because of severe anemia, edema of feet, and hemic murmur means flow murmur because of hemodilution. tongue, pallor, bald, and shining tongue, atrophy, papillary atrophy, loss of papillae, and angular stomatitis. This is also a feature of vitamin deficiency. Nails, platinikia, corynekia, hyperpigmented knuckle in megaloblastic anemia, B12 anemia, or folic acid deficiency. Plummer-Vinson syndrome. It is the triad, also known as PK syndrome, Patterson-Kelly syndrome. Triad of dysphagia due to esophageal web, koilonychia, and splenomegaly. Rarely seen nowadays. Anemia. Physical examination. Rule out other causes of anemia by looking. For hemolytic anemia, look for abnormal facie. Hemolytic facie means frontal bossing, depressed nasal bridge, malocclusion of teeth, protruded mouth. This is the hemolytic facie. Hepatosplenomegaly, seen in sickle cell and thalassemia. Lymphadenopathy, anemia of chronic disease. We will get in like tuberculosis and another cause HIV, any chronic infection, malignancies, bony tenderness in leukemia, petechiae purpura in all cases of aplastic cases. Aplastic anemia, either it is aplastic anemia or due to the infiltration of bone marrow, means leukemia or lymphoma. Weight loss means malignancies and skeletal changes, Fanconi's anemia. Radial limb hypoplasia, abnormal thumb microcephaly, it is the feature of Fanconi anemia. Diagnostic test, first one is the CBC, HB estimation by synthemoglobin method or whatever. Next is the peripheral smear for anemia typing. Means what is microcytic, what is hypochromic. MCV less than 80 is the microcytic, MCH less than 27 is the hypochromic anemia, and MCHC. All these is low in iron deficiency anemia, high in megaloblastic anemia, normal to high in megaloblastic anemia. Elevated red cell distribution with RDW denote anisocytosis, means variation in size of RBCs. It is more than 14.5 in iron deficiency anemia, more common in sickle cell and thalassemia. Here all three parameter MCV, MCH and MCHC is low, 80, 27 and 33. Here also serum ferritin, this is the further investigation, serum ferritin, serum iron and total iron binding capacity. In iron deficiency anemia, also storage form is low, means serum ferritin is low, less than 12 nanogram per ml. Serum iron in circulation is low, means less than 35. And iron binding capacity. If there is low iron, the capacity will increase. The binding capacity is more. Saturation. Low iron, less saturation. Infant less than 12%, in children it is less than 14% transferrin saturation. It is the receptor. Serum transferrin receptor. Receptor will exposed and empty. Hence it is more than 9 milligram per liter. Rest bone marrow diagnosis of iron deficiency anemia. How will you diagnose? MCV, MCH and RDW. Next one is the serum ferritin in serum iron studies. Now response to iron therapy. Reticulocytosis and daily increase in hemoglobin 0.1 gram per dl from the 4th day onward indicate good therapy. And first one is the decreased irritability of iron therapy is the features. Clinical diagnosis by looking at the conjunctiva, tongue and nail for the improvement of pallor. This is the stage of iron deficiency anemia. pre-latent, latent, and deficiency. Normal level is already written, more than 40, transferrin is 35, rest leave. Pre-latent it is less than 20, less than 10, and deficiency it is less than 10. Saturation less than 16 or 14 or 12 as per child in infant. MCV is less than 70 to 80. Now comes to the treatment of iron deficiency anemia. Hemoglobin below 5 gram leads to the cardiac failure and hospitalization. If HB is below 3 gram per DL, blood transfusion is usually required. Dose of blood transfusion 2 to 3 ml per kg at one time because of CCF. And means if the child presented in CCF, dose is very low, only 5 ml per kg maximum. But in sickling and thalassemia, it is 10 to 15 ml per kg. For treatment, dose of iron is 3 to 6 milligram per kg per day for 3 to 6 months. Ferrous sulfate, gluconate, and fumarate are the most commonly used and cost-effective. Newer iron compounds like ferrous glycine sulfate, carbonyl iron are costly and have not been studied in children. The ferrous gluconate is the good. In another one, the ferrous sulfate. Usually in government setup, we will get ferrous sulfate. Side effect: nausea, vomiting, pain in abdomen, diarrhea, constipation, and another one, the discoloration, staining of tongue and teeth. Yeah, this is the common side effect. Oral iron therapy dose is 3 to 6 milligram per kg of elemental iron divided in 1 to 3 doses on empty stomach for better absorption. Because of in food we can, that contain phytates, calcium will lead to the decreased absorption. Duration is for 3 months after HB has normalized. Response to iron therapy. Initial 12 to 14 hours, there is replacement of enzyme. Subjective improvement, decreased irritability, and increased appetite is the early features. In 24 to 48 hours, there is erythroid hyperplasia. And next is reticulocytosis. Then level is increased after 4 days. And repletion of store means serum ferritin is stored in 1 to 3 months. Non-response to iron therapy. If there is no response, then reinvestigate after 2 weeks of therapy. And maybe the possibility of megaloblastic anemia, thalassemia, and other causes, reticuloplasia, wrong formulation and doses. Poor compliance is the most common cause of non-responder because of nausea, vomiting, and staining of teeth and tongue. If there is hookworm infestation, that should be treated. Now comes to the megaloblastic anemia. It is also a nutritional deficiency anemia because of क्या हुआ? I'm not getting you here. Speak loudly or clearly. मैसेज कर अच्छा अनम्यूट हो गए तो घर वाले अरे लड़के लोग it is the deficiency of vitamin B12 or folate. Clinically and hematologically, deficiency of B12 and folate are indistinguishable. We have to do serum B12 level and folinic acid level. Infancy in young children, B12 deficiency is more common. Why? Because it is deficient in milk, and most of them are vegetarian during that period. मांस खाने वाले सब बाद में बनते हैं। मेगालोब्लास्टिक etiology, folate deficiency, mainly nutritional, food fats and goat milk. Cow and goat milk mostly leads to the folic acid deficiency anemia. And another causes is malabsorption because B12 absorbed at ileum, and drugs like phenytoin, valproate, anti-HIV drug, anti-TB drug, and anti-cancer drugs. B12 deficiency mainly dietary of food fat, pure vegans, warm, rarely pernicious anemia. Pernicious anemia is autoimmune form of B12 deficiency. Third one is the enzyme deficiency. This is the causes. Clinical profile, child may get malnourished. Prolonged exclusive breastfeeding leads to the B12 deficiency anemia. May have mild hepatosplenomegaly, usually hepatomegaly, rarely splenomegaly. Bleeding manifestation is common in 20 to 30% because megaloblastic anemia leads to the pancytopenia. Mimic aplastic anemia or acute leukemia. Tremor is the like infantile tremor syndrome. B12 deficiency leads to the tremor, developmental retardation and regression, and hyperpigmentation of knuckle or terminal phalanges or perioral hue. This is the bald tongue, pale conjunctiva, and hyperpigmented knuckles. Megaloblastic anemia diagnosis, MCV in between 2 to 10 year, age into 0.6 plus 84. More than 90 is 90 to 95 is megaloblastic anemia, but in children as per the formula. MCH normal or decrease, MCHC normal or decrease, leukopenia and thrombocytopenia as a feature of aplastic anemia, and pancytopenia in 30 to 70% cases. Diagnosis of megaloblastic anemia, peripheral smear, macroveilocytosis. In iron deficiency anemia, we have got microcytosis and hypochromia. Multilobe means more than 5. Multilobe means it is more than 5 lobe. And neutrophil, multilobe neutrophil, more than 5 lobe and more than 5%. IRDW and basophilic stapling in and Howell-Jolly bodies. Bone marrow, what we will get? Megaloblast. Here is macrocytes, macroveilocytes. Here is the blast. Serum B12 level is less than 150 picogram per ml. Folic acid level is less than 3 nanogram per ml. And erythrocyte folate level is less than 150 nanogram per ml. This is the diagnostic findings. Peripheral smear छोड़ दो. Treatment, vitamin B12 IM, either it is 500 to 1000 microgram weekly for 4 to 8 weeks, followed by oral doses of 100 microgram per day. 1000 microgram, read it. And folic acid is 5 milligram daily for 4 to 8 weeks. Respond to treatment, bone marrow may totally revert in 24 hours. Patient start feeling well in days. Retic response will peak at 5 to 7 days. HB start rising after 1 to 2 weeks. HB normalized by 3 months, and PS become normal after 1 to 3 months, as old macrocyte RBC will persist till their life. Then lifespan is 90 to 120 days. Prevention of nutritional anemia. Dietary modification, promotion of exclusive breastfeeding up to 6 months, weaning properly, increasing dietary intake, enhancing bioavailability of iron, supplementation with medicinal iron, and food fortification. control of infection like parasitic, bacterial, and viral infection. Promoting consumption of iron-rich food. Encourage consumption of GLV means green leafy vegetables, fruits, cereals, pulses, sprouted, jaggery, if possible, and for non-vegetarian, fish and GLV should be in composition of weaning food of infant. Should reduce consumption of tea. Antenatal clinic and immunization sessions to be utilized for promotion. It is the dose of iron folic acid 6 to 12 months 10 milligram iron folic acid daily in syrup form. 1 to 3 year it is 20 milligram iron folic acid for 100 day program. For more than 3 years iron folic acid tablet 20 milligram plus 100 microgram folic acid. After 5 years it is 40 milligram iron folic acid tablet, means double tablet. Adolescent 100 milligram tablet in 500 1:5 for 100 day in a year. This is the weekly supply of iron. Iron fortification of foods. Food item like wheat, flour, and other cereals, sugar, curry, powder, noodles can be fortified. And usually in some biscuit, government is fortifying iron and B12 and calcium. In many countries, food fortification has been found to be effective in reducing prevalence of iron. Double fortified salt with iodine and iron. This is the recommendation for prevention. Exclusive breastfeeding, promotion of iron and vitamin C rich food, citrus food, discourage intake of tea, coffee with milk, iron folic acid supplementation with counseling. Now, over.